is for egg, round and white. E is for elephant, big and bright. E is for eagle, flying high. E is for ear, to hear birds nearby. Let's explore. Every day there's more and more. Let's have fun. The letter E is for everyone. E is for engine, ready to go. E is for earthworms, moving slow. E is for envelope, send with care. E is for energy, everywhere. Let's explore. Every day there's more